Namaskar, my friends. So, one question was asked in GATE Instrumentation 2024. This is by IISc Bangalore. So, we have to find out what is the steady state error, okay, due to unit step reference R of t. So, unit step means you can consider my R of s is 1 by s, okay. Now, the thing is, let us say this is my G of s and this is my H of s, which is my feedback function, okay. So to solve this kind of question, we have to first understand how we can solve this. Okay. So first you have to convert these in terms of like unity feedback system. So it will look something like this. This is my minus, this is my plus, and this is my R of s, and this is my Y of s. Okay. And this is my G1 that will come in the combination of this and this. Got it? So that is kind of open loop transfer function. So first of all, we'll try to find out open loop transfer function, which will be equal to my g divided by 1 plus g into h minus g, okay, which is this g. Understood? So for this, what will happen? Very easily we can write it down. 1 by s into s plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by s into s plus 1 into k minus 1 by s into s plus 1. So if you solve this equally, what you will get? 1 by s square plus s plus 1 I am putting directly, plus k minus 1, right? Plus k minus 1. So that is going to come up as this much. So this is my open loop transfer function. If you put it here, you know already. Now, you know that steady state error is equal to LT limit s tends to 0, s tends to 0, s into R of s by 1 plus g of s. So here g of s is actually g1 of s, okay. So what will happen? LT s tends to 0, s into R of s is 1 by s into 1 by 1 plus g1 of s is how much? We got 1 by s square plus s plus k plus 1, k minus 1, right? So we'll put it that 1 by s square plus s plus k minus 1. Now this got cancelled. If you take it up, it is going to happen as how much? S square plus s plus k minus 1 divided by, down it is how much? S square plus s plus k, and minus 1 plus 1 got cancelled. Okay. So if you put limit s tends to 0, this is going to be k minus 1 by k. So this is your steady state error. Alright. So the option number A, k minus 1 by k, is the correct answer. Understood? So those who are getting directly 0 is actually wrong. Okay. The answer will be option number A. So what you have to do in this kind of questions is basically first you have to convert to let us say closed loop transfer function. First you find out what is your closed loop transfer function, T of s, which will be g by 1 plus gh. Okay. Then you find open loop transfer function. Okay. Then you convert to unity feedback system, as I told you, and then find the steady state error. All right. So the option number A was right for this particular question, which was asked in Instrumentation GATE 2024. Thank you guys. If you do have any question or anything, please put down your questions or comments in the comment box, and I shall be able to answer you out. Thank you.